When it comes to complex number in your exam question, one thing that we always have to do is plot and label. So let's see how we do that. Always in your complex number question at the very beginning, they will remind you that anytime in your calculation you're going to see I to the power of 2, you should change it to -1. That's just a reminder. Okay, so we have Z1, Z2, and Z3. So different complex number. The first, the second, and the third. So they are the three complex number, and here we have them given to us. The complex number Z1 is shown on the Argand diagram below, and we can see that. And we have to plot and label 2 and 3 on the same diagram. So how do we do that? On the axis here, you can see RE, that means real, that means number without I. So that is a number without I. And that is always your first number. So in this case, that will be 2 or that will be 4. Or in the case of Z1, -1. And then here you have IM, and that stands for imaginary. So number with I. Now, actually, that is the number that stands beside I. So it is +2, +3, and here is what? -1. Because when we don't have a number beside the letter, we have 1 there or -1. So you can see that that first one, so the real value, that's where they find the real value is -1. And then the imaginary on imaginary line, and that is +2. And that's where you see, that's why that number is here. So for Z2, the real value is 2. So let's just draw the line. And then imaginary is 3, so that's the 3 line, and that's where they meet, so that is my Z2. Then again, for the third one, 4 is the real, so 4 is the real line, and imaginary is -1, or we have to expand our line, and then imaginary -1 is here, that's where they meet, so that is my Z3. Like I'm saying, always that is one part of the question that we have to do.